Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. We're going to fire up the offset today. The Oklahoma Joe going. I got two wax cubes in here, the Weber starters. We're going to light those, just like that. Get a little flame burning there. And I'm going to throw in some small pieces of apple and hickory that I have. Get them going. We're going to get a nice coal bed started. Just like this. And that's the idea. Get that burning, get a nice coal bed started. I'm going to finish getting a nice coal bed started, then I'll show you guys when we're going to move on. As you can see, we've got a pretty good fire burning. We've established enough of a coal bed that I'm happy right now. I've got apple wood on there and a couple splits of hickory right now. I'm going to go ahead, add some ribs to this. We've got here, nice St. Louis rack. We're going to put right around there, I guess. I have two drip pans there. I have another nice St. Louis rack here, which we're gonna go, we'll stick that end over to here, closer to the firebox. And I have a rack of beef ribs here, half a rack of the beef ribs right there. I'm gonna go with them. You know what? I'm gonna go with them right off in the front here. And last but not least, got a rack of baby backs. And we're gonna go with them right behind the St. Louis there. And we're up on the 2-hour mark right now. As you can see, right there, we got some nice clean smoke. No dirty smoke going on in this backyard. I just added a couple sticks right there of some hickory. They're burning nicely, as you can see. Nice clean fire burning there. Let's take a look at these guys and see what they're looking like. Oh yeah, they're looking nice. I've gone ahead and I've rearranged them a little bit, just because, as you can see, that fire raging over there. I didn't set up a baffle system today to keep the fire away, so we're getting a little more cooked on that end there. Not a big deal. Go ahead and spritz these with some water. Beef ribs are looking great. St. Louis are looking good too. As I said, this is 2-hour mark. So now we're just going to close this up and let it roll. Now I see my fire's dying down a little bit. Not the end of the world. We'll open that up. Now the key to good barbecue on an offset is a hickory split. The key to good barbecue on an offset is fire management. If you can manage your fire properly, you'll get amazing barbecue. If you can't, it's going to taste like shit. Clean fire, clean smoke. Clean smoke, good meat. We just put that in there, and right away, it's starting to go. Just like that. We got a nice coal bed that's set up in there now, so we're good. We put a split, takes off pretty quick. It's pretty warm today, it's not too cold. The wood's nice and cured and dried, so it's seasoned well. Close that up, and you will see some thicker smoke coming out of here at first, just because that's a new split that we just put in. So keep that in mind when you're adding a new split. You will get some dirty smoke for a little bit. Not the end of the world. It will clear itself up within a few minutes once that thing starts going better. There we are. Have a little look. Beauty. And this is at the 3-hour mark. At the 4-hour mark now. Open her up, take a look. There's our nice coal bed we have. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab an apple split. Put that in there. And I'm also going to grab a hickory split. And put that in there as well. Now we'll keep that coal bed there nicely like that. Get those splits going. Let's open this up here. Take a look at our ribs. There's our beef. There's our baby back and our 2 St. Louis ribs. This is at the 4-hour mark. Close that up. Let that start going. And I'll pick back up in a bit. At 5 hours now, I've just gone ahead and added another split, as you can see. That's starting to take off there. Let's see what these guys are looking at. Let's give them a little bend test. I've gone ahead and rearranged them around. I've rotated them. I got my baby backs at the first rack now. Over here. And I got St. Louis rack here. That's pretty close to done, that one. This guy here is done. That I know. You can see that nice bend. That tells me that's done. These beef ribs, they're pretty much done as well. These baby backs still need to go a little bit longer. I'm actually going to give them a little rotate now. Flip them around the other way. Got some nice pull back here happening. Got some nice color on them. This is at 5 hours in, like I just said, in a spritz. Still using just plain old water. Gonna close down our lid and let it go a little bit longer. I'm also gonna close the firebox down now because that piece of wood's going. Looks yummy, buddy. There you go, looks yummy. We'll pick back up pretty much when these are done, when we're gonna put a glaze on them. We're at the 6-hour mark in this cook now. These ribs are done. We're gonna go on with this Sticky Asian Cosmos Q rib glaze. We're gonna hit all 3 of these racks with it. Show you one, and you guys understand, and I'll do the next ones off camera. Just like that. Now, like I said, I'm going to do the same to the other 2 racks. And then I'll pick back up after I have these pulled off. Fresh off the Oklahoma Joe. What a shine. That Sticky Asian glaze. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice shine to it. Well, let's get cut here. Let me see if I can find bones and go in between. There we go, in between there. And let's go this side here. That looks like a good spot. Look at that. That's what she's looking like inside. We'll take a look at the rib that we're going to take a bite out of. Nice rib. There we go. Don't have much of a smoke ring on there. Not the end of the world. Smoke ring's not everything. Doesn't add any flavor. It's just a peel, that's all. Baby bag. Nice. These ones got a bit more loin meat on them than I prefer, but it's okay. Nicely done. And our beef ribs that we did. Let's just go right down there. Right down here. We'll take the one from the center. Look at that nice bark. Now this is all Cosmos Q. This here is cow cover. And these here are the sweet honey pecan. Look at that beef rib. Amazing bark. Look at that. Yeah, we got a smoke ring on the beef. Nicely done. We got, some smoke ring there. Well, let's get a bite out of this guy here. Nicely done. Take a bite from the St. Louis. Nice bite off of that too. I really like that sticky Asian rib glaze. It's excellent. I give that a big thumbs up. You guys haven't tried it yet? Head on over to Cosmo and pick yourself up some. Give it a try. Let's take one bite out of this nice beef rib here too. Let's go on this side, I guess. Right in the middle. Yep. Cow cover. Great stuff. There you have it. Some ribs off the offset. It's been a while since I used that Oklahoma Joe. Figured I'd fire it up today. Show you guys a little bit of fire management. And some awesome ribs. You guys like this one? You know what to do. Hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.